morning, students. How are you? Welcome back to the English class. Students, which is the largest bird in the world? Yes, ostrich. Have you ever seen an ostrich? Let us learn few interesting facts about ostrich. An adult ostrich is 7 to 10 feet tall. How much tall? It is 7 to 10 feet tall. It weighs 100 to 160 kilograms. Weight is 100 to 160 kilograms. Ostriches are large flightless birds. What is meant by flightless bird? Ostrich won't fly. It runs very fast. They live in the dry, hot savannas and woodlands in Africa. Mostly the ostriches live in African dry places. They can run at a speed of 70 km per hour. Ostriches run very fast at a speed of 70 km per hour. Ostriches fight with their legs. Ostrich fight with its legs. They kick toward because that is the direction in which their legs bend. Usually ostriches kick with their leg because they bend towards front. Each two-toed foot has a long sharp claw. A solid kick can kill a lion. In the claws of the ostrich, claws means that thick nails. The nails are very sharp. If it kick a lion, the lion can die. From this we can understand the largest bird ostrich is very strong. It can run at a speed of 70 km per hour. Height is 7 to 10 feet and it weighs 100 to 160 kilograms. It won't fly. It runs fast. It lives in dry places of Africa and it fights with its legs. The claws in the foot are very sharp and it can kill a lion. Next, ostriches are the world's largest living birds. Ostriches have 3 stomachs. Usually a creature has only 1 stomach, but ostriches have 3 stomachs. An ostrich egg is the largest. Ostrich lay large egg. Our lesson 7, Grandpa Fights an Ostrich. In our new Pathways book, page number 99. Don't open the book now. I am narrating the story first. Listen carefully. In our lesson, there is a story about an ostrich and a grandfather. This story is written by Ruskin Bond. The author describes a story that happened in his grandfather's life. The story is narrated by the grandfather. Who is the grandfather? Our author, Ruskin Bond's grandfather. When Ruskin Bond's grandfather worked in East African Railways, he happened to meet an ostrich. Ruskin Bond's grandfather worked in East African Railways. The grandfather lived in a town. His work site was 12 miles away from his living place. He used to travel on the horseback. Usually the grandfather traveled on the horseback to his work site. One day the horse had a small accident. So the grandfather decided to walk to his workplace. He found a shortcut way. It went through a ostrich farm. The horse met with an accident and it couldn't carry the grandfather, so he decided to walk to his workplace. He found a shortcut way. The way go through a ostrich farm. That season was the breeding season. When the grandfather went through that way. The season was the breeding season. Breeding season means the birds making young ones. That time the birds were very aggressive. They are very angry. The grandfather had a dog and the grandfather took the dog with him. He knew if any bird came and attacked him, the dog will fight against the bird. When the grandfather reached the ostrich camp, the grandfather's dog spotted a hare and it started to chase the hare. When he reached near the ostrich camp, the dog spotted a hare and started to chase the hare. He tried to call back the dog, but the dog was in chase of the horse. Chase of the hare. The grandfather tried to call back the dog, but the dog was in chase of the hare rabbit. When the grandfather shouted, the ostrich were afraid and a big male ostrich came out from the bush. When the grandfather shouted to call back the dog, the ostriches were afraid and a big male ostrich came out from the bush. It stared at the grandfather. The grandfather also stared at him. Stared means looking straight. Then the bird came towards the grandfather. The grandfather tried to escape. He ran towards the fence. He afraid that if the ostrich kick with his chisel-like claws, it will make a great damage. When the grandfather saw the ostrich, he tried to escape from the ostrich, but the ostrich also come towards the grandfather. Grandfather was afraid because if the ostrich kick him with his claws, it will make a great damage. Suddenly the bird went near the grandfather's. The man jumped one side and holding the bird's wing. The bird went near the grandfather. The grandfather afraid and jumped and he held one wing of the ostrich. The bird started wild. It wild means it go round and round with the grandfather. The grandfather's hands began to ache. It began to pain as the bird go round. Suddenly the bird went in reverse. It is go around. Suddenly it turned reverse. The grandfather fell on the ground. When the bird turned reverse, the grandfather fell down and the bird was upon him. The bird stood upon him. It raised its feet to give a kick. It raised his feet to give a kick. The grandfather was frightened, afraid, but fortunately the bird turned left and ran away as fast as he could go. Fortunately, the bird turned away and started to run. Why he started to run? It saw the grandfather's dog coming back. First the dog went to chase the hare. No, that hare returned back. When the ostrich saw the grandfather's dog, it ran fast. His dog came back and jumping around him and licking his face. Fortunately, the dog came back and the dog came near the grandfather and jumped around him and licked his face. The grandfather was luckily saved from the ostrich. Students, you have to read the lesson, page number 99. Read the story. Did you understand? Here is the story about a ostrich and a grandfather. Who is the grandfather? The author of the lesson, Grandpa Fights an Ostrich. This lesson is written by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond's grandfather is the narrator of the story. He narrates an incident happened in his life when he was working in East African Railways. Read the lesson. Did you understand? Who is the author of the story? Ruskin Bond. Who is the narrator of the story? Ruskin Bond's grandfather is the narrator. He narrated something happened in his life. Have you understood? Good.